In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit forms on Fresha step by step. First, let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser and navigating to the Fresha website. Once there, you'll want to log into your account using your usual credentials. It's essential to access your account to ensure you have the proper permissions to make changes to the forms. After logging in, go ahead and find the Settings option. This is typically located on your dashboard or within a menu, depending on your interface. The Settings menu is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your account, including editing forms. Within the Settings menu, look for and select Forms. This section houses all your form templates, allowing you to manage and update them as needed. Here, you'll see a list displaying your existing form templates. Take a moment to review and confirm the form you aim to edit is present on this list. It's crucial to identify the correct form to ensure that the desired changes are applied. Now, for the form you have chosen to edit, locate the three-dot Actions button next to it. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down options, select Edit. This action will redirect you to the Form Builder interface, where the magic happens. This builder is user-friendly and will show you the existing sections, questions, and title of your form. Here, you have the freedom to adjust these elements according to your needs. Whether you're modifying a question, adding a new section, or even changing the form's title, this is your editing space to tailor the form precisely to your requirements. After making the necessary changes, it's imperative to save them. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top of the Form Builder page. Clicking this ensures all your edits are secured and that your form is updated accordingly. It's an easy step to overlook, but saving your work is crucial to avoid losing any changes you have dedicated time to implementing. And there you have it. A simple yet effective process to edit your forms on Fresha. By following this guide, you can seamlessly adjust your forms to keep up with your evolving needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.